Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and I'm going to show you how we can change Always On Display theme. So we have to go for the settings, find Always On Display in the lock screen, go for the Always On Display. As you can see, it's enabled, of course, so there we got our currently themes that we set it up. If you want to change the theme, you can find a couple of them like signature, analog clock, kaleidoscope, digital, or we can select simply background. For me, this one looks the best. So I tap on it once, click apply, and just take a look. After a few moments, it will display, and that's how easy you can change theme of your Always On Display. If you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.